Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable egg drop soup. And these are the ingredients you need. Carrot, green pea, corn, both are frozen, sesame oil, salt, cornstarch, fish sauce, water, and 2 eggs. In my pot, I have 5 cups of water. So I'm going to use high heat, boil the water first before I put in the other ingredient. Okay, my water is boiling, so I am going to add in 1/2 cup of diced carrot, 1/2 cup corn, 1/2 cup green pea, and then cover it and just let it boil. Okay, now it's boiling. I am going to cover it, change the heat to medium, and let it boil for 5 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, putting in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir it and set aside. Okay, 5 minutes has gone by. The soup is not ready yet, but I am going to add some flavor to it. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. I'm going to cover it back and boil for another 5 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare for the egg. Set it aside for later use. 5 minutes has gone by, and this is what it looks like. And the soup is about to be ready. So I am adding in the cornstarch. Stir it first because it will sit on the bottom. So this will thicken up the soup. And then followed by the egg. Stir it while pouring it, okay? Putting in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir it. Once the soup is boiled back, then it's done. Soup is now boiling and it's ready to serve. It's very colorful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.